Welcome to this edition of Education Briefs, brought to you by the New Jersey Association of School Administrators, which is comprised of Chief Education Officers and school administrators representing school districts throughout New Jersey. Here is Dr. Richard Baza, Executive Director of the NJASA.
NJASA versus Brett Shumler, Commissioner of Education, and Paula T. Dow, Attorney General, was originally filed in 2008 and challenged certain regulations designed to limit compensation of school administrators that were then adopted by Commissioner of Education Lucille Davy and Attorney General Ann Milgram. On August 3, 2010, the New Jersey Superior Court Appellate Division rejected our claim the regulations were unconstitutional, but agreed with the NJASA on several key points that were designed to limit compensation of school administrators. The regulations titled Fiscal Accountability, Efficiency, and Budgeting Procedures were initially adopted in 2008. Their purpose was to ensure financial accountability of boards of education and adequate resources to meet the state's Constitution's mandate for a thorough and efficient system of free public schools for all children. The NJSA filed suit on the grounds that the regulations changed contractual agreements already in place and improperly reduced compensation for superintendents, assistant superintendents, and business administrators in order to protect our members' vested rights. As a result of NJASA's arguments, the State Appeals Court upheld the integrity of protections afforded by current contracts in place and agreed that compensation encompasses more than the amount printed on a salary check. An overall benefits package should be included, and as such, sick leave payment cannot be reduced to a maximum of $15,000 for individuals that have already exceeded that amount. Future accumulation, however, may be capped. The court also confirmed that the per diem rate of pay cannot be reduced for a tenured individual or during the term of a contract. And assistant superintendents who have achieved lifetime tenure will not lose other forms of compensation in place prior to the regulations, including FICA payments and disability insurance premiums. In conclusion, the court's opinion upheld the authority of the Commissioner in adopting these regulations. However, they found that the regulations improperly deprived certain administrators of vested rights and cannot be used to reduce the compensation of tenured assistant superintendents. These are not the only regulations that unjustly target individual rights. Currently, there is much discussion on the proposed statewide salary cap on chief education officers. This is an arbitrary proposal that did not include any thoughtful analysis of its potential outcome. The proposal shows little understanding of the critical importance of chief education officers in the success of New Jersey schools. Going forward, we need to carefully examine all legislation and regulations that could produce unintended negative consequences. The NJSA will continue to advocate for our members and serve in a watchdog capacity on issues such as these that affect New Jersey schools.
New Jersey's Chief Education Officers, moving education forward. To learn more about New Jersey's Chief Education Officers, visit us at the web at njasa.net.